Ready, go ahead.
Exxon, Scott Hamilton. It's a Maroon Ford Fusion, Arkansas. Boy, Ida, Tom, 07, Edward, BFG, 07E.
$252 valid.
We're still rolling, going south on Scott Hamilton, passing out Lake. Yeah, we're coming up to baseline.
Roger Bay, net 263 for Adam 98.
We'll just turn on to Harper. So going east on Harper. Gonna go south on Demise Road.
South on Mize Road.
There's no traffic, we're only going 20 miles an hour.
No traffic.
We're coming back out on the baseline.
Coming back on the baseline.
And now we're going west onto Oxer Road. Going into the Oxer Arms apartments. We're stopping. Oh, no, we're not.
Apartments, we're not stopping.
It's taking me into the back of the complex.
To the back of the complex.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get your fucking hands up! Put it in park! Put it in park! Put it in park!
I'm in park.
Felony stop.
Like hell you were. Put your damn hands up. Don't move.
My hands is up.
All right.
Pull over.
Stay right there.
I'm good.
Turn the car off.
My seatbelt.
Turn the car off.
Okay, turn the car off.
Turn the car off. All right, now leave your hands up. Leave your hands up. Both of you leave your hands up.
We ain't got shit.
All right. Leave your hands up. Stop talking.
Shut up. Stop talking.
Leave your hands up. Stop reaching around.
I'm trying to.
I don't know where you thought that was a good idea.
I'm trying to park.
All right, stop talking. Just shut up. Keep your hands up. Both of you, keep your hands up.
Okay.
Freaking stupid.
I ain't got shit.
All right. Hey, I'm gonna get the passenger out first. Passenger, get out with your hands up. Passenger, get out with your hands up. Okay, get out.
Bro, we gotta let the window there. Don't.
Okay, cool. Get out then. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Jesus.
Walk back toward me. Come toward me. Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Shut up and come back here. Keep coming back.
Why y'all so aggressive?
Why are you so dumb? That's my question. Well, then why are you acting like this?
No, I was trying to get you a safe.
That's.
I'm definitely not.
Sorry, that's not a good excuse anymore. You passed plenty of parking lots.
Y'all don't need to keep me.
Well, that was your doing.
I was trying to stop.
That's not even true. You were trying to turn around just now.
Oh, I'm trying to.
Stupid. Now you're going to jail.
Come on. And my seatbelt book.
Okay.
I don't got nothing. I promise I got it. I'm a bird. I don't know too.
Alright.
See my hands?
Yep.
Please don't shoot.
Alright, well.
I got kids. Don't shoot.
Okay, well, think about that.
I do. I was trying to keep you.
Ready? Kinda. Climb out. Get onto my hood of my car.
I can't, bird.
Climb out of your car onto my car.
Y'all like my seatbelt?
Yes.
Oh,
Put your hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Now get out. Now climb out. Now climb out.
Listen, I don't have anything.
How did you have your seatbelt before? You didn't have the shoulder strap on. Yeah, climb out the window, get onto the hood of my car. I know, it's funny, huh?
No, it's not, but why you making me do it? Oh, that shit, I've been at work.
Alright.
Hold on, give me my leg. God, wait a minute, y'all so aggressive. No, hold on. Damn, y'all put it. Hold on, y'all pulling my hair. Why y'all doing
Dumb, dude.
No, sir.
No.
I'm surrendered. I no shit.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
Freaking
I
idiot.
surrender, babe. Look, get my sister and my mama. I'm surrendering. I got it. I surrender. Y'all bust my
Freaking
shit though.
dumb.
Shut up.
Okay. Cool.
I got it. Still rolling around. Just roll around.
I don't got anything.
Okay.
Now you have less.
It's cool.
Roger, Bay at 264 for Adam 98 at 1256.
Alright, get up.
Can we help
Sit on
me?
your butt. Sit on your butt.
Sit on my booty.
Alright.
Stand up.
My ankle.
Stand up. One.
My right ankle.
Okay.
Y'all got it.
Let's push.
Y'all stronger than me. Do it. My right.
Push on your left. We're gonna pick you up. One,
Okay.
2, 3.
Alright.
My right ankle. Y'all just fucked my shit. I just got out of work, babe.
Well.
Why did you pull over?
I was trying to get in a safe place. No cap. I ain't got shit.
No cap.
This
No
is not
cap.
a
I
safe
don't got
place.
shit. I know. I said, my mama.
10-4
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
no. You're right, you're right. I forgot to put my hat on. You're right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Out. And my ankle. No, for real.
Alright.
Out, shit. My. Ow. No. Can
Right
y'all
here.
please loosen the cuffs up?
Walk over here.
No.
Ow, shit. Why y'all doing this to me? I didn't do shit. And I was trying to pull over. I don't have anything. Like, I just got off of work.
Hey, look.
Why y'all doing this?
Listen. You're
Why
back.
y'all doing this to me?
Nobody wants to hear you out here. All right?
Yeah, y'all hurt my face. All that shit. Where's my fucking mama at?
Sounds like we just hurt your feelings.
Yeah, my feelings too.
right,
Where the fuck is my mama?
It doesn't matter.
Mama!
Get in the
In
car.
the car.
Man, where the fuck my mama? Y'all do this to me
ass
for
down
nothing. I don't even stay out here.
Then you shouldn't have pulled in.
I was trying to pull over.
No, you-
Out my ankle. My ankle!
What do you want to do with faster?
Let's just, hold on. Let me just, here's our restart.
Look back in the car.
Oh, give me my phone.
Don't worry, I have your precious phone here.
Nothing.